Welcome back to the Trade FX cluster. Let's get one thing straight. You have the strategy. You've backtested it. You know the entries, the confluences, the risk parameters. Yet, your equity curve still looks like a seismic chart. Why? Because the final, unbreakable edge in this game has nothing to do with your indicators and everything to do with the 6 inches between your ears. This isn't about finding a new setup. This is about fixing the operator. Today, we're breaking down the non-negotiable basics of trading psychology, the foundation that turns a technically proficient trader into a consistently profitable one. Think of it this way. The market is a relentless psychometric test designed to find your weakest impulse. Your job is to armor up. The first pillar is ruthless process orientation. Your P&L is a lagging indicator. Judge every single trade on one criterion. Did you follow your predefined process? A trade that hits your stop loss while you followed your plan is a good trade. A random win from a reckless FOMO entry is a terrible trade. Your loyalty must be to the process, and the profits will follow as a byproduct. This leads to the second pillar, emotional detachment through pre-commitment. Your trading decisions must be made in the cold, calm light of analysis, not in the heat of a live chart. That means every parameter, entry, stop loss, take profit, position size is set before you click buy or sell. Once the trade is on, you are a monitor, not a participant. You removed the emotion when you defined the rules. The market cannot trigger your fear or greed if you've already decided how you will respond to every possible outcome. Finally, we have the discipline of patience and selective aggression. As an expert, you know your edge has a specific frequency. Your core skill is now the discipline to wait, sometimes for days, for the market to deliver that precise set of conditions. Then, and only then, you execute with conviction. This is where psychology meets profitability. The ability to do nothing is your greatest action. Overtrading is the enemy of the expert. It dilutes your edge and erodes the mental capital you need for your true A-plus setups. So, here is your task. For the next 10 trades, your primary focus is not profit. It's grading your own psychological performance. Did you wait for your setup? Did you pre-commit your rules? Did you manage the trade without interference? Master these basics, and you master yourself. The market will always be the same chaotic beast. Your psychology is the only variable you can truly control. If this mental framework makes sense to you, you're our kind of trader. Hit that like button if you agree psychology is 90% of the game. Subscribe to the Trade FX cluster for more content that cuts through the noise and focuses on what actually matters for your trading business. In the comments, tell me which of these 3 pillars is your strongest and which one needs the most work. Let's get a real discussion going below. Until next time, trade the process, not the P&L. This is the Trade FX cluster. Out.